What's going on, YouTube? Here's the sound of a bad bearing I gotta change out. It's a whole wheel bearing assembly. 92, so I used to working on 90s. 2001 Buick LeSabre. All I'm doing is I put it in neutral and I'm spinning the wheel. And what you're gonna hear is, well, first you're gonna hear an airplane come across, spying on me probably. Whew, that was scary. All right, now hopefully you'll be able to hear this. Yeah, what you're hearing is that grinding sound. I'm gonna put the camera a little closer so you can hear it even better. If there's no traffic. Yeah, you'll hear a whooshing sound. That shouldn't be there. You shouldn't hear that. So anyway, man, I hope you heard that. I'm gonna try it one more time from this angle. Whew, I'm out of shape. It's wearing me out. Yeah, you can hear that whooshing sound. When that's going about 60, 70 miles an hour, sounds like a freight train. You hear high whining from this side of the car. That means that's your wheel bearing. So anyway, before I pass out, you guys know the drill. Whew, almost didn't make it. I'll make another video if I live. Anyway, you guys know the drill. Subscribe. Wish I could say it a little better, but signing off.